Aloika! Welcome to Areyto. It is a cold, windy day, October 2nd, and I'm about a month behind when I usually pick the potatoes. So today I'm going to come in and do a little bit of digging. You see our big bed right there, our raised bed, that's where we have the potatoes. I think they were ready about a month ago, so I'm going to go see what we can pick. I've been digging around and I found a couple already. I'm going to show you what we have. So the first thing you need to know when picking potatoes is that you should pick right where the dried stems are. So these are some dried potato stems right here. So this tells me that the potatoes are going to start around this area. I can also follow this dry stem to that area, so that's another whole area. This is another one, so all around here are going to be potatoes. You also have to dig in layers because potatoes will grow in several layers down below. So we're going to start in this area and then expand our way around. Oh, look at that, right away. Here's the stem, and I found my first potato. Look at this beauty. I'm going to put it over here. Let's keep digging. Oh, here's another one right below the stem. Another potato. Look at that beautiful potato. Okay, let's keep digging. Ooh, I see that there's some roots that are extending further. So I'm going to start following the roots. Now, as I said, potatoes grow in layers, so I thought I was done with the top layer here, and then I found this other beautiful potato down there. And just as I started digging a little bit more, I found this beauty. Look at this. We didn't plant any big potatoes this year, and I found this beauty. Oh, it looks like a little bug has been trying to get inside it, so I pulled him out. But I'm going to check it out, make sure it's good, edible, and it's not too bad inside. So as I was digging in this area, I realized that there are roots that are even much deeper, so I started following them, and that's when I'm realizing there are way more underneath as well. So when you see that there are roots that are going even deeper, follow the roots. That's where you're going to find them. So there are several layers here. Top layer of roots and then much deeper roots that I'm going to start following. So I want to show you this beauty right here. I'm digging in and I'm seeing this root right here, this stem. And right near the stem, look at that. Another gigantic potato. By the way, these potatoes are supposed to be tiny. Look at how big they are. So, as you notice, here's the stem. Look at all the roots. Start following the roots, and you're gonna find lots of potatoes at the ends of those. So I hope that you're having as much luck as we are for this potato season. I hope that I can encourage you to grow potatoes. It's super simple. You just toss them in a bin full of dirt and then wait until the stems dry out. In the meantime, I'm gonna keep picking potatoes. You see some of my bucket right behind me. And I'll show you what we come up with. I wish you all happy planting.